Sometimes we need to hold some packages on our Linux from updating and upgrading, and that may happen for a variety of reasons. For example, your software and hardware are not compatible with a specific version of the software, or a software comes up with a bug, or you want to hold it for any other reason. In this case, we have a very easy option that we can hold a package or some packages from updating and upgrading until we unhold them. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can hold or unhold packages from updating and upgrading. Let's say that we want to hold systemd package from updating and upgrading. In this case, we type apt-mark-hold and the name of the package, systemd. With this command, systemd will be held from update and upgrade. And if we want to make sure that the mark has been done correctly, we can type apt-mark show hold. And this command will list all the packages held from update. And if we want to unhold it in the future, we can type apt-mark-unhold and then the name of the package. Now if I do show hold again, nothing will be listed. This easy we can hold or unhold packages from update and upgrade.